Auntie, do you people have free Wi-Fi here?
Yes, you do.
What is the password?
Buy a drink first.
Okay, thank you. Auntie, where is the tall black guy that was here?
Okay, she was on morning duty. I just started my shift.
She has gone.
Yes, sir.
What is the password of your Wi-Fi?
Buy a drink first.
I was drinking here. You're telling me buy a drink first.
Sir, I don't know why you're shouting. I just told you, buy a drink first.
You people think it has sense. If new person come in will tell me buy new drink, I'm gonna let us see. It's when you don't give me the password that you will see what I will do you. I carry my small money and be buying drink. How much is that, Apano? I say it too. What is the password of your Wi-Fi?
Sir, buy a drink first.
Where is your manager?
Over there.
You people think you have sense in this place. Manager, is this how you guys used to behave in this place? I have been asking them since, what is password of Wi-Fi? What is password of Wi-Fi? Nobody agree tell me. Please, what is password of Wi-Fi?
Buy a drink first.
Manager have been buying drink here since. Okay, I think you are here. You gonna be watching me. If I know self, I would have used my money to buy data. I have used my last card to buy drink. Manager, I have buy it. Now, what is the password of your Wi-Fi?
Buy a drink first.
Manager, I'm a big boy. I don't like insults. I don't understand this again, no.
My brother, look at it on the wall there. Buy a drink first with hyphen.
Manager, please, if I cover this drink, can I return it?
Just consider very funding and enjoy comedy. See you next Friday. Please subscribe.